Hello, welcome to MESA TV. Tonight, Human Nature Howie T new edit from her re-release Bedtime Stories new chapter. Madonna, let's go.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Give me room to breathe and get up off these.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Give me room to breathe and get up off these.
And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. That must have been crazy. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature.